Good morning, student. So today we are going to start with question number 10. And the question number 10 is, what rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? This rate means R. Here rate of interest is given to, ठीक है, here rate of interest, what rate, that we have to find rate of interest. ओके बेटा, यहाँ पे फाइंड क्या करना है, यहाँ लिखा है द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग व्हाट रेट. रेट का मतलब होता है रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. व्हाट रेट, इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. गिव्स रुपीज़ 280 एज इंटरेस्ट, मतलब ये जो 280 है ये इंटरेस्ट मिला है. क्या मिला है? इंटरेस्ट ऑन अ सम ऑफ, इतने रुपए लेने पर. इफ़ वी आर टेकिंग द लोन ऑफ 56,000, सो वी हैव टू गिव rupees 280 as a interest. So here in 2 years, so timing is 2 year. So write solution. We have to find R, so keep R equal to question mark I, interest 280 as interest. So here interest is 280, P 56,000, timing is 2 years. After that keep the formula, interest is equal to P into T into R upon 100. Now keep all the values. Interest is given us 280. This, so write in down place of interest 280. So we have written 280 equal P is 56,000. So 56,000 into time is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by R. R we have to find upon 100. That 0 cancel out. What is left? 280 equal to 560 into 2 into R. Now we have to find the value of R. So we have to transpose this number to 280. तो ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है तो ये डिवाइड में हो जाएगा. सो यू विल गेट R इज इक्वल टू 280 अपॉन 560 इंटू 2. ओके, now divide. When you divide by 560 by 280, you will get 2 because 28 2s are 56. So it's the same, 280 2s are 560. Okay, so here you will get 1 upon this 2 multiply by this 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. So here R will be 1 upon 4 percentage. Okay, or when you divide it you will get 0.25 percentage. Okay, now next question, move on to next question. And question number 11 is, if Meena gives an interest of rupees 45 for 1 year at 9% per annum, what is the sum she has borrowed? Meena gives an interest of, मतलब उसे इंटरेस्ट दिया कितने का? रुपीज़ 45 का. लिखा ना, गिव्स एन इंटरेस्ट ऑफ फॉर 1 ईयर. सो टाइमिंग यहाँ पे 1 ईयर है ना, टाइमिंग इज़ 1 ईयर एट 9% पर एनम. ये 9% पर एनम आपका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हो गया. ठीक है. What is the sum she has borrowed? Sum means principal, कितना उसने borrow किया. Principal amount, how much she borrowed the principal amount for 1 year at the rate of 9%. For that she has given rupees 45 as a interest. Okay. So first of all in solution you just keep all the values which are given in the question. Okay. So here interest is given is 45. Write interest equal to 45. Time, see 1 year, so here time equal to 1 year. Then rate of interest 9% per annum. Okay, this is your I, small I, this is your T, this is your R, rate of interest. Okay, now keep the formula, and the formula is interest is equal to P into T into R upon 100. Okay, here we have to find the value of P. Now after that keep all the values which are given here. So interest is given 45, so right here 45 equal P we have to find, so P will be as it is. Then time is 1 year, multiply by 1. Then R is 9, so multiply by 9 upon 100. Okay beta, now transpose this 100 to 45, then you will get 45 into 100 is equal to P into 9. Now we have to find the value of 9. So we have to again transpose 9 to 45 into 100. So we will get P is equal to 45 into 100 upon 9 like that. Okay. So ये 9 डिवाइड में जाएगा, क्यों? क्योंकि ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, तो यहाँ पे ये डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. ओके बेटा. तो 9 1 से 9, 9 5 से 45. सो नंबर लेफ्ट विच आर 5 into 100. So multiply by P equal to 500. It means Meena borrowed rupees 500. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.